channel. So in today's video I will be doing a quick do-it-yourself Christmas wreath. Everyone knows Christmas is upon us. Like it's December 9th, people. So like Christmas is here. Oh my god, tomorrow's my brother's birthday. So happy early birthday, Pete. Love ya. Anyway, so I'm gonna be doing a quick and easy do-it-yourself Christmas wreath. So everything that I'm using for this video I got from Hobby Lobby. You do not have to get everything from Hobby Lobby. You can definitely go to the Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Walmart. They always have different things, but I'm gonna show you guys everything that I purchased, and then I'll go ahead and get into the tutorial. So first, this is the actual wreath that I will be using in the video. Like I said, everything I got from Hobby Lobby, so I thought this was like a nice size to go on my door outside of my apartment. So this is my wreath, and the cool thing about this wreath, when you do Christmas wreaths or any type of wreaths for the holidays, you always want to buy the little what are these named? What are these called? The little ties or something. So these came with the ties, so you didn't have to worry about purchasing any ties when you get your wreath from Hobby Lobby. Like I said, they might have these at Walmart too, but I love Hobby Lobby, so that's why I decided to go there. Next, I bought some Christmas bulbs. I decided to get red and black because I absolutely love black. Black is like my go-to. As you can see, I think all my YouTube videos mostly be in like black shirts. And then red because, you know, it's a Christmas color. As for my ribbon, I decided to go with gold. So this is the mesh ribbon. You'll definitely need a mesh ribbon to go on to the Christmas wreath. And then I got some, I just got this because I thought it was pretty with that little sparkle and little jazz, you know, jazz it up a little bit. So these are the two ribbons that I will be using. And then I've decided to just get some random stuff to go on the wreath. I don't even know if I'm gonna use all of this, but I just thought they were cute when I was in the store. And I have like this where this is really cute. This Christmas box is definitely gonna squeeze its way onto this wreath. So yeah, I just was really just buying random stuff. So I'm gonna just see how it goes. And then of course you want to buy the little handle if you don't have one, so you can hang your wreath on your door or wherever you would love to put your wreath. So those are the few items that I purchased to create this Christmas wreath. So we're gonna go ahead and see how this Christmas wreath turn out. So stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so honestly, yeah, about this Christmas wreath, definitely was my first time trying something new. So you guys just gonna have to work with me here. We was just trying to figure out where to really put everything on the wreath, and I feel like I didn't have enough mesh and everything, so we kind of just like went with the flow. So honestly, it's gonna look a little skimpy, but I mean, it's my first time, so hey, I definitely will try this again. But for the first time, I don't think it was too bad, but you guys will see. Alright, y'all, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. So like I said, this is my first time doing a Christmas wreath, but I really want to do something because Christmas is here, and I know I'm going home for the holidays, so I didn't want to put no Christmas tree up. So why not do a Christmas wreath? So I hope you guys enjoyed that quick video. Also, if you have not seen my last video on my recool hair, I need y'all to go watch that video. I have it up today in a ponytail, and I'm really loving this hair, honey. Do y'all see that? So go watch my last video, and do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you guys next time.